Good morning, students. Today we'll do some gap filling exercises as it appear in CBSE examination. Let's have a look on the gap filling exercises that appears in class 10th board exams. Both 9th and 11th classes also have this kind of exercises given in the exam that carries around 4 marks. So let's first see what exactly the question is that appears. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. In this case it is mentioned here verbs, but in the exams it can be any kind of fill up from the things that we need to do, from the grammatical items that are prescribed in our syllabus. Now let's look at the question. So here is the question. Let's fill in the blanks one by one. I dash begin with a duster in the hand and scarf on face, brooming, mopping and getting rid of cobwebs. I dash myself on a stool to clean the fan without switching it off. I dash my hand away but not before I dash my finger. So for the first tip is that before actually start writing the answer, you should be reading the complete question so that you come to know about the tense and the structure of the things that we need to fill up. So here in the first blank, I begin with a duster in hand. So some kind of event is narrated here. So that has already happened. So obviously it should be filled up in simple past tense. So here I begin, the answer should be began. I began with duster. Okay, and then the next one is I perch. We need to look for the exact word, the accurate verb that we need to fill up in this. So again it is a narration of the event that has already happened. So it will be the simple past tense again. So perched. Perch, perched, perched, these are the forms of verb. So we will be using V2 here. So next, I dash my hand away. So here we need to have the past perfect tense. So it should be had snatched my hand away. Before I, then again here it will be past perfect tense. So had cut. So the answer to these are began, perched, had snatched and had cut. Happy learning with English Frog Club. If you like the lesson, please subscribe. Your subscription, your liking and comments help me to change my lessons according to your requirement. Moreover, it builds my confidence and that I am able to help so many children throughout India. So that inspires me to do more lessons for you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this lesson with your friends so they can also get benefit from my teaching. Thank you. See you till the next lesson. Perfection can be gained through practice. Keep practicing and get perfect.